Hello guys, welcome you to my YouTube channel Programming Hub. Today we are going to see our next program after addition. In my previous lecture I have done the program of addition. Okay, and today we are going to see the program of area of circle. Okay, now okay, so this is a program. So to zoom in, I have already said that function F5, you have to press the function key F5 to zoom in the program. Here in first line I have written the comment line program to find the area of the circle. Here this comment line is only for the information purpose, used whenever any other user is going to see that program, and then he or she can easily understand on what topic this program is all about. So this program is all about the finding the area of the circle. Okay, here first two lines hash include stdio.h standard input output, hash include console input output dot h. These are both the library functions, and then void main. Here I can write void inside the argument. I can pass the argument as void, or I can write nothing, because void means nothing, or I can easily write any other argument like int or any other argument. Okay, or instead of this void return value, we if we have to use the another return value like int and character, then we can easily write int void instead of this int character instead of this void, like this. Okay, but now at present I have to write only void because I don't need any return value here in this program. Okay, then opening curly braces, then float pi 3.1416. Okay, I have to write here 3.1416, it's the value. Okay, and the another variable capital A. Okay, you can write capital A or small a, anything you want. Here I have already write float function because there here I have passed the value 3.14, that means it is a decimal type value, so I have to pass the float function. If I write the integral function and pass the value of the variable to the pi, then I cannot use it as 3.1416. I have to only write it's 3. So the exact value of pi is 3.1416. So I have write the data type. I have used the data type as float, and at the end I want the answer to be as precise as possible. So I have given this a variable which is used for getting my result done at the end of the program. So I have given this variable a same data type as float because I want a precise result in decimal form. Okay, and this int r, here r is for radius of circle. Okay, to find area of the circle, you all know the definition or formula pi r square. So here I have given the pi variable here is pi, with whose value I have given as constant 3.1416. Okay, and capital A stands for area of the circle. Here int is for radius. Here we cannot take radius as a decimal number, so we have to write it in the integer form. Okay, after that clear screen program is used whenever you are going to run the program again and again, and if you do not write the clear screen in your program, then the program in the output section will be messed up by showing the previous results again and again. So your output section become messy type. So that's why I have to write. I can suggest you have all have to write the clear screen statement in this program. Okay, after that printf, enter the value of r is equal to. Okay, here I have written the statement enter the value of r in the printf section. So I want this line enter the value of r to be executed in the output section, so that it can show me this line enter the value of r. Okay, then scanf function percentage d and r, because I have passed here r radius, that's why I'm writing here percentage d. If I have passed the percentage if I have written radius r in the float data type, then I have to write here %f. Okay, but here I have written r in the int data type, that's why I have to write %d. Okay, and then the form I have written the formula a, capital A is equal to pi multiply r, which is nothing but equal to pi r squared, which is going to assign the value of a. Means first of all, computer takes your value of r, whatever you give it in the r in the output section, then it will multiply the value of pi, which I have already given here as a constant, and the system multiply that pi value into with the r and then again the r, so that formula becomes pi r square, and then assign that value to the variable capital A. So now the value of capital A becomes equal to the pi r square, which is equal to area of circle. So I have written here printf area of circle. I want to show this in the output section so that a user can easily understand what the statement says, what the value is all about, and then printf %f capital A. Here I have used %f because I have assigned A to the float data type in the initial position. Okay, so at the end, getch opening bracket curly bracket semicolon. Here I have write semicolon in the every statement because it is compulsory to write a semicolon to end of the statement. Okay, every statement. So at the last, closing curly braces, and here we all done. Okay, now I'm going to run that program. So to run that program, I'm just pressing Control F9, and if there's any error, it will show me. And okay, I'm showing you here. I am making some type of error. I know this is a type of error. I'm just showing you how the error window comes up. Okay, here I'm doing the Control F9. Okay, okay. So this doesn't contain any error. Okay, I'm going to do any something different error like this %RR. Okay, Control F9. So here you can see there is an undefined symbol RR. Here in the window will show me that there is an RR variable which I have not assigned. So this is a kind of error which I have to make. Okay, which I have to solve easily. So I can again write multiply. So the function now the program is correct. Now I'm going to execute the program. Now it does not show me any error. Okay, so Control F9. Then this is our output window. Now in the output here I am here the system asks users that enter the value of r. So I am writing any value like 5. The radius of the circle is 5. Now when I press the enter, it will show me the area of circle by calculating it all along. Okay, so the area of circle is 78.540001. It is the precision value of this area of circle. Okay, now again by pressing enter, I will come up from the output section, and again I come here. So to make the programs like stylish, I have written here equal to. Okay, now again I'm doing to run the program. So again, then this time I'm writing the value as 3. Enter. Here I've got the area of circle as 28.274399. Okay, so this is all about how to find the area of the circle by using the C program, okay, or C language. Now I hope you all understand how to make this program and how to work in the C language and how to work in the Turbo C software. Okay, thank you guys for watching my videos, and like, subscribe and share, subscribe, and also thank you for spending time with me. Okay, now I'm going to exit from this screen by pressing Alt X. Alt X is the shortcut key of going back from turbo C software. Okay, here I had that alter X. Then no, I don't want to save any changes, so tab, no. Okay, here I am out of this.